So what is SparsePy? SparsePy means Parent Spy. It is a web application that enables the parent to monitor the attendance, payment, grades, and schedule of their children. So it is actually an enhanced parent portal of the existing universities. And through our application, you will see the attendance and the everyday attendance of your child. Meaning per subject, you will able to see if he is able to attend that particular subject for a particular day. The next is the payment. As we know, the children or the students somehow or sometimes ask from their parents some excess money for the actions that they say. For example, they only have 10K for their tuition fee, and they can ask I guess 11K to 15K from their parents. Through our web application, you will be able to see what is the different partitions of the tuition fee that your child has or have to pay. The next is the grades. As we can see, as we know, through our app, you could see the grades of your child, and you could also ask the professors to see the grades or to have it checked. And the next is the schedule of the children. So through our app, you could see the schedule of the children of your child throughout the sem.
Why SparsePy? We want to help the parents first with the students attending their classes regularly. Second, to monitor the students' grades. And third, to prevent the students ask for excess money for the tuition fee, updated to every activity of the student in school. So, as what Mr. Jeff said, to be able to notify the parents if the student is really attending their classes, then if ever the student failing grade, they can monitor their children. And for excess money, to prevent for asking for excess money, then updated, they will be receiving text messages if ever there is activity in school, to be for the student to come home early. So this is an existing web app of the Alabama University example for username and parent log. Home tab, as you can see here, the home tab is still empty. Next, grade. Next, account balance. Then, schedule.
So in our proposed web app, the basic features from account balance, grades, and schedule will be adding features like the statement of accounts to be able to see the breakdowns of the payments. The next is the another added feature is the absence notification. So if your child is, for example, in Adamson University, you are allowed, or the child is allowed only to have 9 absences or 6 absences for PTH classes. So if ever that your child is able to
what the parent portal contains. At kung magkakaroon ng kulang dyan, maybe that will be the absent of education in the attendance monitoring. But the rest of the parts is already there. Okay? So, kung app ba to or
Will you show PowerPoint?
Yes.
Will you show exercise?
magiging app siya. So, wala naman tayong problema kung magiging app naman talaga siya. So, the other alternative way would be through the use of the learn pa rin through the parent portal. Pero ang tanong dyan, lalo na, would be those attendance. Kasi, who would be doing it?
Sir, yung ano pa namin, proposed sales pitch namin na PARSPY is that meron pong mobile application yung per teachers, tapos dun sila magkakaroon ng recorded attendance. Then every hour, there will be update sa server.
Normally, we don't do that every often.
Yes.
So how can we be able to give the correct number of attendance that will be that their child have kung hindi nga namin lagi ginagawa yun. So maybe this can be done for high school, mas common yun. Pero let's say for college, ako nag-check ako ng attendance, pero minsan sumasabay din talaga ako. Dahil sa dami ng kailangan kasi kasuhin, it's better to concentrate on the discussion instead of checking the attendance. Minsan kaya minomonitor ko na lang attendance sa requirements that are being submitted by the student para yun na rin napasabay na attendance niya. Siguro naghahanap ako dito ng mas creative way on how you would say that the person attended the class without the teacher doing it exactly. Yun ang sa akin.
So, yun.
You have to identify kung ano ba yung policy ng school in terms of class management. So part of it will be class flow, not exactly the application of academic. So, yeah, you need to identify it. So that means all the denomination sinabi, all the denomination yung second application, attendance, more important. Ma-mention mo rin sa application. So, ganyan kasi according to class management policy in school.
Kasi even currently, even yung mga requirements, hindi naman namin talaga yung ini-include na isa-isa. So your application training group, siguro can also do that. Kaya lang, ang magiging concern ko rin doon is yung dami ng workload na dapat ipasok ng teacher dun sa system para lang sa lahat ng monitoring. So, pwede talaga siyang gawin as a responsibility naman talaga yung teacher.
Actually, dito lang yung question dito. Actually, we can sell this now. Okay, pwede natin gawin sa ng school with those kind of features. The question is, kung kaya pang gawin yun, yung nasabi ni sir, minsan nagkaka-attendance, minsan hindi. And then, kung sa mobile app siya, so paano kaya yung magiging interface natin sa mobile app para mas mapadali yung checking of attendance? Kasi yun nga sabi ni sir, he's looking for something creative or innovative para maging mas madali or it will be easier for the teachers to check yung attendance without roll call. Without roll call, di ba? Kasi ako, ang ginagawa ko sa classroom, pag sa attendance, bibigay lang ako ng attendance sheet. All they have to do is to fill out their names, then sign.
Siyempre, hindi ko rin natin magagawa every now and then. Minsan, may sablay ko rin.
Kasi yun, ang focus natin is yung discussion natin, yung lecture natin, not really the attendance.
Kasi sir, kung kasi mag-install tayo ng bagong ang nangyayari parang pagkat-up natin ng ID sa yung ginagawa natin sa game. Then parang yun yung pinaka-attend. So parang nakaka-connect na siya dun sa mobile natin. Tapos maglalagay na lang siguro sir yung prof.
That
And
may
then,
be something.
then,
The spark sign at the may mga explanations. No? Siguro, ang pwede ni Good Sir dito is that since most of the phones right now have internet connections, why should I go having a certain app pack? Then I can browse it out naman din to learn by using a browser.
so kasi sir, yung
Why should I have a separate application for that?
Kasi sir, hindi lang naman siya, yung propose namin is not for Adams University. So parang pwede siya sa ibang school. Like yung parent line, sir, if you know that, kung sa siya parang...
Kaya kasi ito naman yun. Kung hindi mo kasi siya i-connect directly with the databases of the school, hindi mo magagawa yung sa mga tuition fee eh. Hindi mo magagawa yung mga subjects, yung mga subjects enrolled. Diba? Doon siya papasok eh. So, kailangan na-establish talaga din yung system nyo na kung co-connect siya sa kahit anong database, ang concern din doon, paano siya aayon doon sa database nyo. So, pagkukot nyo ng data from the database, eh, iba-iba yan ng iba-iba ng design ang bawat isang school, malamang. Para magawa nila yung paglalagay ng data doon sa system nila. Sir Harold will be doing a way maybe sa database design. Maybe Magkuha will have their own. Pero paano mo yung mahuhugot using your application which is separate? Kasi kung ibebenta nyo ito sa lahat eh, mayroong problema doon. We can cater that. Yan ang problema pa natin dito. Kung customize pa rin natin yung application based on how they have already designed the database right now. At maraming problema yun kasi hindi pare-pareho ng design ang mga eskwelahan. So still, hindi siya agad magiging automatically gamit.
Yung pinapropose niyo is dalawa, website-based at mobile-based, mobile application-based.
Yes.
Yeah.
Again, mobile web.
Ano naman sir, kasi yung isang mobile app yung parang project yung attendance.
Eh, so web,
Yes sir, yung sa bars. So
at
parang,
we're going to review.
yes sir.
So why not have a website which is viewable, supportable devices, like devices. So meron ka ng for the website mo. So it can be accessed via your mobile browser. And also, there's to sabi ni sir, totoo yun, pati bang database schema sa bawat school. So why not create an API for each ang ginagamit programming languages mo bawat school. Say, the API for PHP, the API for C#, API for .NET, and so on. At kaya yun, may babago na lang na either XML or JSON format. Ito na lang yung
Kaya lang, naging concern ka rin kung paano siya makukuha, kung ano yung pinaka-main information na kailanganin mo for. Kasi katulad ko, meron kayo para sa mga balances. Iba yung format din natin. Iba yung design din nila on how to do yung mga payments nila. Kasi ang payments natin dito, every term. Meron mga schools na school ang dating. Hindi by term. Iba yung ano nila, parang meron sa mga plan A, plan B na magtatawag. Discounted siya ng ganito pag plan A ka, discounted ka ng 20 pag ganito. So, magbabago din yung presentation na yun. So, yun yung dapat na magawa automatic. In a way, magiging parang automatic. Kung gusto natin ng event at different organizations, agad-agad. Kaya kung may purpose, yes. Kasi kailangan din ng parents to know where their children are. In terms of sa school pa. Or wala sa school. Actually, nga nito na ko, 6'5" naman yan eh. Paano natin nalaman na wala siya sa eskwelahan? Hindi lang sa attendance. Okay. Kasi nadedetect ko, nasa siyang lugar. Nasa mga kwarto ba siya ng Agamso? Or wala siya doon sa pinakalugar ng ano? Kasi spying ka na rin naman sa anak mo. Ba't ito mo na? Alam mo, nasa lugar. Anak mo naman yun.
Question ka? More hours.
Siguro sa attendance, siguro kahit sabi na kayo na minsan hindi nakakapag-attendance. Sa akin siguro talagang na picture na lang din. Directly, yung parents mataas na yun sa professor. Parang comments, so magtatanong sila sa professor. Pwede sila mag-message siya. Feedback na kasi sa attendance na hirap gawin o hirap din sa group. Kasi may naman kung gusto malaman ng parents, ano nangyari sa communicate. Kasi yung mga balances, yung galing na namitig din sa mga sa internet, natitignan niya. Siguro yung feedback na lang ng professor sa anak.
Meron pa, mas may madaling way to feedback.
Kasi mag-spy, direction na sa pro. Spy na rin. Kasi meron yan sa website eh. Sa akin.
Sayang you weren't able to show us how are you going to check yung attendance ng student. Apply sana natin sa atin. Ano ba na idea? Pero actually yung first nila statement of account, ongoing na yan eh. Kasi meron naman na sa finance yan eh.
Kasi dahil bibigyan ko rin ng account ng parents.
Actually sa
Meron na talaga.
ginagamit na siya. Kami yung account yun. Asa? Bakit ikaw rin yung access?
Pinakita nila? May ginagawa. Pero meron sa...
Yun na lang meron na.
Yung grade schedule account ba? Ini-email sa akin.
Alam niyo ba yan?
Pero sa higher pa, meron na lahat. Lahat. Parang ko yun ako yung mga email addresses ng parents. Sa amin is okay. Hindi naman sila makakatali na lang dahil first year pa lang kinuhan. So wala silang ito.
Great. So you learn, you heard suggestions, comments on how your